seen them way happen for that side for Middle East. That means for Bahrain. Bahrain a day for in between. Let me say day for corner Dubai and a day for corner Kuwait. Two country people them. Now for them, where some Cameroonian man decide for go do waiting for go kill his own brother them. We all them the day for them for find how life go better for them. My country people them. We will talk about them. Talk about Lanacom where they see they for strike palaba, waiting palaba 4 months for salary and for better condition. For work where they know the inside them. Chakum chap people them they catch them with their gun them for that side for Mwana inside Ndonga Mountain Division we come out to Nigeria country people them. Yes, man fit to the catch weighty they catch the contraband mimbo for this black bottle mimbo we una sabi so country people we come out to Nigeria to the enter accident from Kong Samba, plenty people in the hospital where the accident happened at this morning time. Then for Cape Town Kumbade na fish don't scare pass mark for the country people then fire for Bamenda Day. And then as they take talk about and for this palaver then too, yes, we will take talk to this chapter for day for Bamenda country people to a big salute. This one na continues for my Media Prime television with me Masato Eze Ekule Utoride. People then make us start with sense story for today, and the sense story for today is BC Waiting country people them man picking na make you take salute time give you na the sense story talk say waiting man picking na cooking spoon where they enter all pot soup. Man picking na cooking spoon where it enter all pot soup. Now the same story that for today country people them we take talk about this thing say Bahrain. Now today we one Cameroonian don't choke to kill two other countrymen them wound the other one them then he says try for kill himself in the hospital now but police if corner on see something. Now the image that for one of the people them for this country people them where they kill it so as soon as take the CM for this matter so for they can't say the choky knife the story be so the person where took them a come out Cameroon we don't make all the own paper they enter they took for go find work. And all this should for airport country people be forced for for cover this image them so as he take the before this matter so where it can happen at the number 2 person way to come so it don't go now for them and the struggle they find for put people way to go stay with them then it don't vex now enter kitchen for night midnight people they sleep. Take knife, then come out now for them, broke all bob them so that darkness be inside the place where the hold. I mean the lodging place with all them. They sleep for the country people them. Then choke the first one that he so for your neck. Maybe they on top of the bed, choke it for your neck, choke it for your belly again, choke the other one to fall, he own belly two of them fall down as they die. The other one the way the one come for can hold it for they country people them. He will wound them with a knife. Then the last catch it beat it so it collapse. We don't try for kill. It serve to for the then naive they so they call manager call police can take you go down for hospital and they don't put chain for you. So after we don't well country people them he go answer wait way he take do wait way happen for it way kill Cameroonian people them for that side for Bahrain. I don't want to say Bahrain they in between Dubai and Kuwait say where people they go find money for the family they don't have for Douala here or for Cameroon they cry for the country people them. Lena come now this national laboratory where they check the quality for medicine them country people them they strike now it is. It start since week before last. They strike so they call them tell them say they go give them money. They said they did it since 2017 but any year salary arrears 4 months 5 months 8 months safe. They be say this time around they be tell them last week say they go fix them before last week one end. They say Tuesday country people, they say yesterday, they start strike again afresh. Then start strike again afresh, say this so it don't too much. That money where they say they go pay them. So now strike with this so it no go end. They say unpaid salary, their own palaver them for better condition for work, but no they can't thing the way they cry for they all advantage them for service them as they fit they supposed to get them for them. And no they at all. So the laboratory then for Ministry of Health, yeah, because then inside Ministry of Health for the contribute them. They people they say this so family they need the chop inside this matter. No chop need to go for table. Then say wait again for them, said we say for pay transport, no they landlord they move them so for house inside all this matter so country people them. Even say NPS you need to get them. So I still can't in that way they talk about them for na come for this so country people them. Ekerembe they don't catch chakumcha people them for whose side they catch them for that side for moi. Wait to take happen now one person where they say na Nigeria man self country people them we enter for day with the motorcycle and on top that motorcycle he carry big speaker where talks one go give the speaker for person for that side there for and bounce the country people them wait to take happen they want open the speaker no be speaker they inside the big box for speaking at back they want open that back now wonderful gun them for the unasia. Now they can't gun them this when we take be inside it. I say wonderful war gun them that they may be inside the back with the time grab and put them inside the speaker. We come out in Nigeria so see another case now the big case for the speaker for a corner so we wear black. So now the guy man this for the big pity for the last turn to go for bounce yourself catch the person way. If they expect the speaker now, it is we be saying that they can't get the speaker. The way they want to discover, they discover say this so now chakumcha boy for this so country people so now situation that will take happen for more day and where the person be the wait time around that side they fall inside big side big northwest far northwest the country people look at see with the zoom and all thing where they gone for fit take people correct better one for this so country people as not take see and Nigeria man be carry on top the Okada for the now so it take happen for this so country people them. So this time around now for Manfe day when I wait for happen for Manfe country people them now custom then catch with they call and say this so contraband mimbo yes now mimbo them for Kines company we come out to Nigeria they enter through backside door for this so country people they make us see. 19 now they talk about them for year country people them. They could talk about time for years, so say look at the thing they are inside carton for day look at, and then they take them be you feel say this so now. If you say this so now this yogurt and milk them for day, but we not be so country people then way they so now Guinness you see and we they catch them for day and they catch and so it pass that kind 5,000 bottle them where they take and so they buy and they push enter out them Clando way for cancel and for Cameroon now way they so the custom people then catch them for that side they for Manfe they so country people nothing that will take happen for they way so they catch and they don't catch and so plenty different Guinness kind of product them where they so they turn they enter either through Bamenda or through short through Ekok now the very Ekok the past they go really come enter Bamenda they enter Bafusam to then catch up this want to be the partner through Manfe for come through Kumba they so country people as now take the sea they can bottle them for they with their own and we and the two would ever advise now country people them now see this so wanna buy mimbo for off license wanna try to check the percentage for alcohol where it did it because alcohol for this black bottle for Cameroon here percentage for alcohol for this black bottle for Cameroon here now 7.5% country people them wait the one way come out Nigeria now 4 maximum 4.5% when I check out for that level 2 we go at least see the kind of thing we want to drink and for them. Country people take talk now accident will happen this morning time from Kong Samba Day Unasia. Now regional hospital annex after this place they call see this so this big Carrefour Yadi yes Carrefour Yadi for Kong Samba Day. Now they wait to take happen. Okada be the passway carry 2 people they went at 2 women on top. Then some pick up the run past Bim. I say pick up the run past Luke. Now we see the pick up jam them and pick up jam and so no stay on a road jam and they need to enter from see now they pick up that jam and to enter Valley finally for this so way this so and the way it go stop that for that palava so country people them as the thing now take the happen they don't jump signboard say for church winners chapel for the country put them then carry the people don't talk kada go and so take that level to na be saying they do all thing now for try to see how it look and see I'm jam this signboard too before it go finish inside that farm for corn for this so na play the corn say Carrefour and this motor for asef and motor for company where they take care for all this farm product them na NGO motor take care of farm product them for the country people the accident happen that can 10:30 this morning time before they start for cook news for enter give una so my own country people na so it take happen now so the three people them where they be there on top the Okada let me see that the Okada this Okada way carry two women them for park all them they rush them go down for regional annex hospital from Kong somebody with their situation this on Kana way for they unofi talk say this so a bit critical but they talk say be some Kana way for this country people them. For Kumbade, wait till they happen for Kumbana Palapa fish, they say fish show upon wait down way fish be even the BSF latry they cause trouble for the now fish where you forget only one mackerel burning fish so if you know she don't find inside Cape Town. If your pocket no heavy, yeah, if you just had the light accent for place where you can say Ayuk money for the country people then wanna say something. Ayuk money make we get this image for toxicity. Very so, and the first been a palava latte where fish be plenty, but it is spoil inside freezer. It is spoil side by side place them. For market safe, now forget fish for market. This is more people say fish day. The one we don't try for dry them. They try and now they sell them for price for dry fish. But the fish where they for market now, so if you even see them, na makiro. And this makiro fish we call it Morocco. So the price safe na popung rubu. So the price safe. Na popung for this country people that's not take the sea way it they happen and they come out for that side for Kumba town the way Jakumcha people they don't make Kumba just be some kind electricity to make Kumba just be now for go slow then now price too for fish don't come be na some kind of thing too the other day will be telling about price for rice for this very Kumba so country for them people they year but and on top of all that one too the customer they complain to say people they sell even the fish safe country people them they don't whether they twist their their scale now how twist and so tell you see even one fish for the twist na 1 kilo where you hold the fish for your hand any they mean anything that means say that kind of fish for country man you chop he hang for your throat no fit enter for your belly because he be over small now only for the waka he go end for this country people them. That palava fire for Bamenda will come back for day for Teruna. Say we last get this adjutant chef Taku Paul right now he the commandier the army rescue unit for day for say make we hear how we take talk about and make we face see the fire. Maybe don't show na this fire yesterday for talk say this motor they so. Tori way be enter here be say this so a carry funga come out for this place called say a cock come this Bamenda. Sunday then go pack. Then that Monday morning time now country people them I mean yesterday now 8 happen for EBC yesterday morning they take the motor come with them around that place for Junction that means say na city chemist Junction round about for this country people them not far from Guarantee and Vatican for the wait it can take happen for the country people them be say this so as it can for the small fuel inside the gallon way fall from the motor now fuel now be leak for road Miami today way they burn it fry macra fry pop for corner with the beans. Now so now we fire we be remain for a fire side day too instead the follow now fuel as it be leak for day for go kiss her. Because fire like for marry with the fuel plenty country people now then now we the kissintology it can turn now the insect go cause now big trouble where they soon the whole motor catch fire so burn so army rescue unit they become they do as they feel do for this matter so they get down so for the country people them. Then we go now for see wait to be really cause some as I tell una see this una fry pan fire way come out for play with the fry pop off and fuel to way be the leak for day una see. Now the fry pan this na here we mami the fry yakra. If you don't the fry yakra the sell am you no get problem with now. When I carry una motor can put enough fry for me. Now if fireside this when I saw those use them for that fireside country people them. So as when I take see fire this so it like smell for fuel. Fire like smell for fuel like how a woman likes smell for fuel. When a woman yes say yes you get key for your motor you know say smell for fuel today that the perfume that woman like and so as so fire to like army rescue unit they come they do all thing Quencham, na fe moto that don't quencham sute, quencham sute for this so country put them. Even move the bonnet for the motor, broke and move we may quench the fire to don't be inside the block for engine for this so country people soon that the kind thing in that way it happened for Bamenda that yesterday. Yes, we happened for Bamenda yesterday so country people them. So make we hear way yes the chief for sapeur-pompier the adjutant chef Taku Paul he talk for microphone for Agodai and Jute and Jute for Bamenda the country people them una here.
Everything possible to arrive there as fast as possible because the motor with the bomb, you don't really start the bomb some house upon them. Fire from that motor, we don't want the bomb some house upon them. So now the only thing we're going to say no come, they limit the propagation because the next house we go back, now play they do carpentry workshop. And if we don't quick fire quick, if we burn the rest of the houses, we get sawdust inside with the activate fire. We get plank them to inside with the activate fire. So the first thing I will limit the propagation of the fire all along, if you see behind, so that people are not go fire.
Thank you plenty, Adjutant Chef Taku Paul Wenai, the big man for Army Rescue Unit for inside Bamenda. They so country people, them as na takes here now, who if he talks now for microphone for Jude and Agodai, them for day two. Thank you plenty, yes, Johnson for La, you commander them for weekday, you be corner Bertrand for that side of the country people. Then thank you to this other person to Fabien. Thank you, yes, Christian. And LIA1 not linga contribute them. The number we they so get for sure for the number we take to wait for your contribute they say una send we send story send we ought to read them una get and image them to for the country people them. Now so we don't finish for today Massacre Talk News and Inside Smart. The number that they appear for now. If una see my back belly the day before the go. Bye.
Family NGO, international NGO.
driver.